Welcome to Kumbakonam and Temples City. This is Kumbakonam railway station entrance road. It is one of the lake in Kumbakonam. It is nearby Kumbakonam railway station. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is nearby railway station. It is one of the lake in Kumbakonam. Now we are watching Adi Kumbeshwara temple in Kumbakonam city. These are the Adi Kumbeshwara's lake and temple's gateway tower. The temple dedicated to the deity Shiva is worshipped as Adi Kumbeshwara, and the temple represented by the lingam, his consort Parvati, is depicted as Mangalambigai Amman. The temple was built during the Chola dynasty in the 9th century. This is the Nageshwara Swami temple, located in Kumbakonam. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Here Shiva in guise of Nagaraja, it's called the Serpent King. Aditya Chola constructed this temple during the 9th century. This is Sarangapani temple. It is the main temple gateway. It is located in Kumbakonam. The Sarangapani temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This is one of the Divya Desham. The 108 temples of Vishnu. This temple is Someshwaran temple. Dedicated to the deity Shiva, located in Kumbakonam. Shiva is worshipped as Someshwaran. His consort Parvati is depicted as Somasundari. This temple is dedicated to Lord Rama, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, located at distance of 2 kilometers from Kumbakonam railway station. Achyuta Nayaka of Tanjavur constructed this temple during the 16th century Common Era. This temple is Airavadeshwarar temple. Located in Dharasuram, nearby Kumbakonam. It was constructed by Dravidian architecture. Built by Rajaraja Chola II in the 12th century Common Era. This temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. His consort Parvati called Periyanayaki Amman. This temple is called Tirunallar Shanishwaran temple or Darbaraneshwarar temple. The temple dedicated to the deity Shiva, located in Tirunallar village in Kadalur district. This temple is famous for Shanishwarar, the planet Saturn. This temple is Sara Parameshwara temple in Tirucharai. It is called Runa Vimochana Lingeshwarar. This is Nachiyar Koil or Nambi temple in Tirunayur village, outskirts of Kumbakonam. This temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu and his wife Lakshmi. Here worshipped as Srinivasa Perumal and his consort Lakshmi as Nachiyar. This temple is Saranada temple. In Tirucharai. Dedicated to the god Vishnu. It is one of the 108 Divya Desham. Here Vishnu worshipped as Saranadan and his consort Lakshmi as Saranayaki. It was constructed during the 6th and the 9th century.